Okay. Once again, this is Pastor Jeff for In the News. It is April 24th and 2013, and we're reporting about this individual who was captured in Canada and is being accused of trying to do his terrorist plot on a train here in Canada. And the headline reads, Criminal Code Not Holy Book, Suspect in Alleged Train Terror Plot Says. This is in Toronto. A man charged in an alleged Al-Qaeda directed plot to attack a Via Rail passenger train suggested in court Wednesday that he doesn't recognize the authority of the criminal code because it is not a holy book. This guy from Montreal asks to address the Toronto court, after the 5 terrorism charges against him were read out. They are based on the criminal code, and we know that this criminal code is not a holy book. Now, I don't need to read all of this. This guy here has been let me see here. I'll give you the whole. Let me see here. Okay, here we go. According to the report here, this individual, this religious extremist, has been in Canada as a permanent resident for about 20 years now. And according to the report here, this guy has had numerous charges against him about attacks on people. And to me, Jay and I were talking about this on the way home, and how amazing it is to me and her how this individual here in Canada is allowed to stay in Canada in spite or despite all of these charges that have been carried about him. Now, you look at this individual, more story here. It says, I can't pronounce this guy's name here, there's another individual that was charged right along with him, and are charged with conspiracy to murder for the benefit of a terrorist group, participating in a terrorist group, and conspiring to interfere with transportation facilities for the benefit of a terrorist group. He faces additional charges of participating in a terrorist group. Again, now this is what Jay was telling me earlier. She said there's, according to other reports, here in Canada, there are over 36,000 who have been told to leave the country, been deported. But nobody's doing anything about it. Now, I realize I'm on touchy ground here because I'm trying to immigrate here, or at least be permanent resident. And we were joking about it, saying that they'll leave these Muslim lunatics here in Canada because they don't want to hurt their feelings. But somebody from the United States of America just wanting to live here in peace, they would make it very difficult for it to happen. Anyway, I'm trying to report these things now with a little bit of grace. But as Rich said to me today, it's kind of hard to put grace when these people are constantly murdering people, constantly trying their best in the name of Allah uh, to bring harm to people who don't believe like they do. And to me, as someone who is, has no desire whatsoever to harm anybody, even whether they believe it or don't believe in God. So to me, it's kind of mind-boggling, isn't it? So I'm going to give you the link. Oh yeah, I have to. I have to give you the link a different way, don't I? No longer posting on YouTube. We'll post the link in the with the article. So anyway, this is Pastor Jeff signing off until next time. Goodbye.